Hello, my dear students. So today we are going to discuss about the lab preparation of ammonia gas. This laboratory preparation of ammonia gas, that means NH3 gas, how it is prepared in the laboratory. Let us see. The principle that is involved in the lab preparation of ammonia gas is this ammonia gas is prepared in the laboratory by heating the mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. Here in this mixture, the ratio of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide is 2:1. When this mixture is heated, then we obtain calcium chloride, water molecule, and ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is lighter gas, so it goes up. Now, this is what? Ammonium chloride, also known as sal ammoniac, ammonium chloride or sal ammoniac, and this is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. When this mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide is heated, then we obtain calcium chloride, water, and ammonia gas. Now see how we set the apparatus and how we use the chemicals in the lab preparation of ammonia gas. Here in the laboratory preparation, we require a hard glass test tube. In this hard glass test tube, first of all, we put the mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide, and then we place this hard glass test tube over a iron stand. We set like this. Here we place the mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. This is hard glass test tube. Hard glass test tube, and here this one is the mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. After that, this hard glass test tube is fitted with a rubber cork and a delivery tube. This delivery tube is set to a lime tower. It is fitted to the lime tower. Here this part is connected to the lime tower. This is the lime tower here. In this lime tower, it is fitted like this. And then this lime tower, actually it contains quick lime. This is our lime tower. In this lime tower, there is quick lime. This is quick lime. Quick lime. And since it contains quick lime, it is called lime tower. Then above this lime tower, we set a gas jar in inverted position like this. Here this gas jar is inverted in position because ammonia gas is lighter than air, so it goes up and it displaces the air in downward direction. So the gas jar is in inverted position. Gas jar is in inverted position and it is held by a stand. Here is another iron stand which support this gas jar to remain inverted like this. So this is the iron stand and it is fitted with the clamp with the cliff. This is iron stand. After setting the apparatus like this, we supply heat to this mixture. Whenever we supply heat to this mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide with the help of a Bunsen burner, then this ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide start to react with each other, and due to the reaction, what happens? Calcium chloride, water and ammonia gas is formed. This water which is formed here, it gets vaporized due to the heat and it passes through the delivery tube along with the ammonia gas. As the water vapor also passes here, some of the water vapor and ammonia gas passes through this delivery tube. Then to stop this water vapor, we use quicklime in the lime tower. Since there is quicklime, this quicklime absorb all the water. It act as dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means it water, absorbs water from this ammonia gas so that the ammonia gas becomes pure and dry. Here, the ammonia gas which reaches above this quicklime, it is pure and dry. Pure and dry. This pure and dry ammonia gas passes up into the gas jar and it displaces the air in downward direction. Now, this ammonia gas is a colorless gas, so we do not notice whether the jar is full or not with ammonia gas, but this gas is little bit pungent smelling gas. So we get the smell, but we do not know whether the jar is full or not. So to know the condition whether the jar is full or not, we place a wet red litmus. That wet red litmus changes to blue because ammonia gas is basic in nature. Here you can see in the lab preparation of ammonia gas we use calcium hydroxide which is a base, and since ammonia is prepared from base, it is basic in nature and basic things turns red litmus to blue. So whenever this wet red litmus changes to blue, then we have to understand the jar is full of ammonia gas. Now after the jar becomes full, we have to check whether the gas in the jar is ammonia or not. So how we test? So its confirmed test is testing it by using a glass rod. This is a glass rod dipped in hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid dipped in conc HCl, that means concentrated hydrochloric acid. When this glass rod dipped in concentrated hydrochloric acid is exposed to ammonia gas, suppose this is the delivery tube through which ammonia gas is coming, then this ammonia gas when comes in contact to this HCl, then it produces a kind of dense white fume, dense white fume, like the smoker's smoke. This dense white fume is formed because of the reaction of this ammonia and hydrochloric acid. Whenever this ammonia react with hydrochloric acid HCl, then it forms ammonium chloride, which is seen in the form of dense white fume. If we see dense white fume, then we can confirm that the gas in the jar is ammonia gas. After the test, one question arises here: why we do not collect this ammonia gas in the gas jar containing water? If we collect this ammonia gas in the gas jar containing water, then what happens? This ammonia gas is highly soluble in water. Ammonia is highly soluble in water. Highly soluble. Since it is highly soluble, it reacts with water and it forms ammonium hydroxide, due to which we will be unable to collect ammonia gas if we try to collect it in the gas jar containing water. That is why it is not collected in the gas jar containing water. Now, some important physical properties of ammonia gas. So, what is the color of this ammonia gas? It is colorless gas. Since we do not see this gas in the gas jar, it is colorless, but it has a pungent smell. Pungent smell means whenever this ammonia gas reaches to our nose, we get a sensation that brings tear in our eyes. Such a smell is called pungent smell. Sometimes it is also called the rotten egg smell. When the egg kept in our house get rotten, then we can get a smell. That smell is similar to the ammonia gas. So we also call it as rotten egg smell. If we talk about the second property, then what we have to say, it has rotten egg smell. Then this ammonia gas, it is lighter than air, so it goes up. Another physical property is it is highly soluble in water. Now, if we talk about the chemical properties of ammonia gas, then one of the very important property of ammonia gas is the taste only. You know, whenever ammonia gas comes in contact to any acid, then it forms ammonium salt. Like if it comes in contact to sulfuric acid H2SO4, then it will form ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate, which is one of the ammonium salt. Ammonium salt. Any acid react with ammonia, then it produces ammonium salt. Another important property is reaction with water. What happens when ammonia react with water? It forms a base that is ammonium hydroxide. Okay, so if we know and understand this much about the ammonia gas, then we will be able to solve any question related to the ammonia gas. Now, sometime one question may arise here: why this hard glass test tube is slightly tilted downward? During the preparation of ammonia gas, along with ammonia, we get water vapor also. This water vapor, when touches the upper part of the test tube, then it gets liquefied due to the cooling, and it settles here as the droplet of water. If it is not made slightly tilted, then these droplets will fall on the hot surface of this hard glass test tube. That may lead cracking of this hard glass test tube. So, to prevent the cracking of that hard glass test tube, it is made slightly tilted so that the water droplet will reach towards the mouth and it will fall on the relatively colder surface, not in the hot surface. That prevents the cracking of hard glass test tube. Similarly, why this lime tower is used in the lab preparation of ammonia gas? So, the answer is very simple. In the lime tower, there is quicklime that absorb all the water vapor from this ammonia gas and makes the ammonia pure and dry. Due to that, lime tower is used in the lab preparation of ammonia gas. So these are some important things that you must remember while revising the lab preparation of ammonia gas, while revising its properties. And some very common uses of ammonia gas are like, this ammonia gas is basically used to develop the blueprints of map. As we see several blueprint map of the land which is printed by this ammonia gas. So it is used in the blueprint of map. This ammonia gas is also used in the manufacture of urea. Whenever ammonia react with carbon dioxide, then it produces urea. So it is also used in the manufacture of urea. And remember one thing, whenever question is given like this, here mixture X is given, then what is that mixture called? Mixture of ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. By giving diagram also sometime question may come without giving the name of this chemical. So simply you have to see this position of the gas jar which is inverted. If the gas jar is inverted, then it may be ammonia gas. If there is use of lime tower, it may be ammonia gas. So this is about the ammonia gas. Thank you.